Hi, I'm Regina, and this is my new house at Kim Keat Beacon. We got our house in 2018 and we just finished renovation just around 3 weeks ago. We just wanted something that is very minimal and then easy to maintain. There's no theme per se, but just whatever look or vibes that we like. We went with a lot of greys, white, and then very neutral color tone, beige, then a lot of wood. The sofa is also like grey as you see. Then we actually went to a lot of sofa shop, and we actually went to J Edition like I think 5 times minimally before we finally decided on Zoe, because we really like the goose feather feeling at the side of the sofa. It's very comfortable like for a nap, which we receive a lot of good feedback from our guests as well. Just do whatever you like, even though people may give comments, because ultimately the house is yours, right? So whichever you think makes sense to you and or your partner in terms of your own living habit, then just do it. Yeah.